Hello everyone. Today we'll learn how to check if a number is a power of 2 using JavaScript. We'll use a clever bitwise trick for this efficient check. Let's jump right in. Powers of 2 are numbers like 1, 2, 4, and 8, and so on. They play a huge role in computing and algorithms. We want to efficiently check if a given number fits this pattern. So, how do we go about this with JavaScript? This function uses a bitwise AND trick. N ampersand n minus 1 is strictly equal to 0. It returns true only if n is a power of 2. We also check the Boolean conversion or the truthiness conversion to ensure n isn't 0 or falsy. Let us understand why this works. This works because powers of 2 have exactly 1 bit in binary. When we subtract 1, all bits after that flip, so the AND with the n clears the only bit set. If the result is 0, it confirms a power of 2. Pretty neat, right? See how powers of 2 result in 0 after the AND operation. Non-powers have leftover bits, making the results non-zero. This makes a test very fast and reliable, perfect for performance critical code. Checking powers of 2 is common in computer memory and graphics. It helps optimize storage and algorithm efficiency. Game engines and hardware often rely on this check, and knowing this trick makes you a smarter coder all the better. That's how you check if a number is a power of 2 in JavaScript. A simple Buddha trick makes this test both fast and elegant. Keep this handy for optimization and coding challenges. Thanks for tuning in and keep experimenting. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.